Right, very simple stuff today because I struggled to find this anywhere else. So basically what I'm actually doing is how to like split a number into its individual characters, or split a string into its individual characters. So basically what you do is very simple. So this is for my mastermind game, which it works now well in. So basically, first of all, import random, import scanner, blah blah blah. Random equals new random, that import res rand equals random next to int 9999 minus 100 plus 1 plus 10, and then string s equals string value of res random. So basically what this does is it converts the integer into the string, but it still keeps the value of it. So the value of, like I said, random number will still be sustained throughout, but obviously it changes from an int to a string. So string parts equals s.split, and then this bit basically means that it splits when there's no gap. So you could have this, you could have that, and that means that like when there's a dash there'll be a split, when there's an A there'll be a split, but in this case there's nothing, so there's no split. And then obviously because I'm doing a random 4-digit number, it's going to be like this, which is going to be like 0, because obviously Java starts counting from 0, so it'll be 0 1 2 3, and it will add 1 to each of those. And then that is literally how you split up a integer into its definitive parts, if you know what the string is. You could also do that with normal strings, because this is actually a string. Then int x equals 0, while x equals res random, blah blah blah. This is the user input, and then that we've converted into a string here with a different array, which is here. This splits it, and then it splits it into all of these. So yeah, it's split. So now in my if statement, if v dot equals s, so obviously that's now a string. So considering it's now a string, it will mean that like it will work better, I guess, because it's a string obviously. System.print nice, so that's, you got it, well done, you got the answer. And then x equals res random add, that literally just ends the while loop. And as far as this goes, else, so that is the next statement. If z dot equals z4, that is my two variables for the first number of the first bit and the second number of the first number of the second bit, and then that will be the first number is right, so on and so forth for the second number, third number, and the fourth number. And it basically, that's all there is to it, I guess, is literally just like splitting it up with the use of no gaps. That's how you split an integer or string into its